Hello friends, this is Anup from mechanicmonday.com. Today we will be unboxing the latest Amazon Echo Dot.
No.
Echo Dot connects to Alexa. Alexa is a cloud-based service similar to Siri and Google Assistant. Echo Dot mainly functions around the shopping capabilities of Amazon.com. Echo comes in a very simple packaging, and in the front this texture looks really good. It has a 3D printed texture. It's written as far field voice control. Echo actually has 7 microphones surrounding this, which detects the sound coming from any direction inside the room. This actually provides Alexa voice services. I'll be giving a more detailed review about Alexa as well as this particular Echo Dot in the next video. So please remember to subscribe. It connects to other devices via Bluetooth as well as Wi-Fi. And the back, the price of this device in India is Rs 4,499. If you order this device right now, you will be getting a 30% discount in Amazon.com. The link to purchase this product is given in the description below. The device is designed around your voice, adds voice control to your speakers, far field voice recognition, always getting smarter. And these are some of the few skills which Alexa currently supports. There are a few more, and some description about the barcode and Amazon device support. Now let's see what's inside this box. Here there is a small strip which I can remove. Packaging looks pretty simple. Okay, here is the Echo device itself. It's completely made up of plastic, whereas it has small rubber texture in the bottom. Here open this device later. It comes with a small Echo Dot starting guide. It has a USB charging cable. Few documents about things to try and some important information about this product. It comes with a wall power adapter which we can connect with this charging cable. The adapter is a 9 watts adapter, and now let's try connecting this device. I have downloaded the Alexa app here, and this is the Alexa app. Let's try to open it. Go to device setup, Echo Dot, language English India, connect to Wi-Fi. Connected to Echo Dot. I'm connecting it to a Wi-Fi network so that the device will be connected to the internet. Echo Dot actually helps you to do various stuffs like you can ask it to play music. You can play music from TuneIn, Sound, as well as Amazon Prime Music service. Okay, it shows that the setup is complete. Continue. We'll go with no speakers right now. Echo Dot supports connecting to an external speaker either through this aux cable or as well as we can connect it via Bluetooth. And here's a small short video walkthrough about some basics that we get started. Alexa is now set up and ready to use. Let's try something. Alexa, play some music.
Here's a playlist you might like.
Long Hollywood drives from Amazon Prime Music.
Okay, the device has 7 microphones across here, 6 here and 1 in the center. It has a volume rocker, plus and minus, to increase and decrease the volume. There is a mute button. Turning this on, the device will not listen to you when you say Alexa. And here is an action button. The speakers are actually in the bottom of the device. Can you hear the difference? The bottom is actually rubber texture, which actually prevents the device from slipping off from the surface where it is placed. Alexa, stop playing music. Alexa can do a lot more than playing music. It can set your alarms, set reminders, timers, can even ask your questions, tell jokes, and even control your smart home devices. You can even track your orders placed in Amazon just by asking Alexa. I'll be doing a detailed review on Alexa in my next video, so please don't forget to subscribe and leave your comments in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.